In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a filter to make.com scenario, which is how you make your automation only run when specific conditions are met, rather than every single time it triggers. So let's go to the scenario first. I've explained it in previous video. To go to the scenario, you need to click on the scenarios button on the left side panel. And then here you see the list of scenarios you've got. Click on the one that you want to edit. And on the top right hand corner, click on edit. Why do you think we need to add a filter? Right now, my scenario logs every single email that arrives into Google Sheet. You can see the second module to log a row onto Google Sheet. But what if I only want to log emails that contain the word invoice? That's where a filter comes in. Without a filter, everything passes through. With a filter, only the emails that match your condition continue to the next step. Let's begin. See the little line between the two modules here with the three big dots, and the little spanner icon appears. This is where we need to click to get started. The filter setting panel opens. Let's label it first. Invoice. Make it easier for us to understand. Under condition, there are three fields to enter. First is to find what type of information you're looking for from an email to filter. In this case, we want to look for the subject. Now, in the middle drop-down, this is the comparison. Change this to text operators contains. There is also a line called contains case insensitive. If you're using the text filter for English letters, I would recommend you do case insensitive, just so that if the subject line has both invoice with the upper letter I or lower letter I in the front, the module will still detect it and let it through with the filter. So let's now type what we want to filter through, the text invoice. And that's it. Let's click on the Save button to save this filter. You can see there's a visualization of this new filter being set up here called invoice. Let's test it. Click Run Once on the bottom panel here. You'll see it has successfully run once, and Google Sheet seems to have successfully added a row with the number 1. Let's go and take a look. This is the Google Sheet that I've created earlier. These were some previous automation being added, and this is the new row that has been test run successfully with invoice as the subject line being pulled through. As you know, I only type the invoice with the lower letter I, and it still pulled through the upper letter I here because we have included case insensitive as part of the comparison. That's it. This is one of the most powerful tools in make.com. Once you understand filters, you can make incredibly precise automations. Not just do this every time, but do this only when the specific condition is true. And there's a lot more you can do with the filters. Multiple conditions, logic, date-based conditions, etc. Each of those gets its own video in this series. I hope you find this video useful. Subscribe and watch more of these bite-sized videos on my channel. Thank you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the watch emails triggers in make.com. I'll go deeper in the Gmail trigger and show you all the ways you can configure it to watch specific labels, folders, and senders. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.